cute craft that involves a bookmark, and you can give it to yourself or to any of your friends. All you need is scissors, tape, cardstocks, a hole puncher, and maybe a friendship bracelet. Once you pick tape, very easily stick the tape to the cardstock. I picked the chevron tape and I'm wrapping it from front to back. I'm doing this straight forward again, around and back, with different colors and fun patterns. And then you simply lay it out and cut it off. And then I take my second pattern and repeat it all again. This is a fun craft to do, and you can make it for yourself, your mom, your friends, or your teachers. What a great way to celebrate Reading Month! Once you have your card done, simply punch a hole at the top. Most people use ribbon to finish off their bookmark. But I know this is not just a bracelet. It's a fun accessory for everything. So I'm adding this at the top of my bookmark and giving it to my best friend. I love my new bookmark, and I hope you do too. And I hope you use it with your new book. Happy Reading Month!